This literature kit on A Wish in the Dark by Christina Sundrenbott incorporates before sheets for teaching and reviewing vocabulary with after sheets for evaluating students' understanding of the chapters. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put yourself in Pong's shoes and determine whether you would leave your friend behind when escaping prison. Recall what Father Cham's last blessing for Pong was. Answer multiple-choice questions about Pong's time in the mud house. Learn about your family tree, similar to Nock's own discovery of her past. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a brochure advertising the Great March that Ampai is organizing. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Write down 10 things that happened in the story on a timeline. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.